Welcome to the Data Future channel. This is Shekhar, and in this tutorial, we are going to check how we can display the duplicate records in the Azure Databricks. So, the first thing is what you have to remove the duplicates, and before that, you have to display the duplicate records. Okay, so we are having a car data set actually. Uh, uh, and what we'll do, we want to check the duplicates with respect to all columns. Okay, so here car dataset dot group by, and when you do this group by with all the columns, okay, this will create a list of columns, and I'll use here dot count. Okay, where what I'll do, where the count is greater than 1, this condition I'll give, and dot count, and this count will be in ascending descending order, because this is the in ascending order. Okay, by default. And when you create this data frame, so you will get a data frame here with it will create a last column, that is count. Okay, you can see here there is a column at the end which is added, that is count. Means this will check whether the count is greater than 1. So if count is greater than 1, means what? It is a duplicate records. And how many duplicate records are this is a 8 times this record is appeared in the data set, 7 times, 6 times, something like this. So this is how you can create you can check the duplicate records and display the duplicate records in the Azure Databricks. Thank you.